Hey everyone, Sarah here from The Average Tourist, and today I'm going to be taking you on a room tour of one of the suites at the Ocean Point Resort in St. Martin. We toured room 227 on the second floor of the resort. This junior double suite was approximately 480 square feet and could accommodate up to 3 adults. Upon entering the suite, there was a large closet on the right and a bathroom on the left. When you walked into the main area of the suite, there were 2 double beds with a small night table and bedside light in between. At the end of the room, there were large sliding doors that led out to a private patio, and these doors let great natural light into the room. From the balcony, you had great views of the resort and the ocean. And if you leaned over the railing, you could see the swim-out suites below, and they definitely looked like they were worth it. On the balcony, there were 2 patio chairs and a small table. It's definitely somewhere I'd love to sit and read a book or have a drink and watch the sunset. The suite had 1 small chair and a table on the way out to the balcony. It definitely looked like it could have fit a small sofa or a table with 2 chairs for more seating. There was also a cabinet with a coffee station that featured an espresso machine. In this cabinet, there was also 4 bottles of alcohol and a mini fridge with pop, water, and beer that was refilled daily. The flat-screen TV was on a convenient swivel arm over the small desk area. Underneath the desk, there was a small stool and a luggage rack. Behind the TV and over the desk, there was a large mirror, which definitely brightened up the room. On the phone beside the bed, there were 2 USB charging ports, but these were the only ones we found in the room. I think it would have been much more convenient if there were a few more scattered throughout the room. I also liked that this room had controls for the air conditioning, and you didn't need to use a room key or card to turn it on. This particular room featured an adjoining door to the room next door. If you were traveling with family or friends, you could ask for a room that connects for convenience. The bathroom came stocked with luxury toiletries and also had a hairdryer and digital scale. The shower had a nice rainfall shower head and a door to keep water from dripping on the floor. Guests staying at the Ocean Point also get plush bathrobes and slippers to use during their stay. Other amenities provided include an umbrella, iron and ironing board, along with a standard size electronic safe to store your valuables. This was a lovely suite and definitely looked like it would be a comfortable stay. So I hope this video gave you an idea of what you can expect from one of the suites at the Ocean Point Resort. And if you like this video, please give it a like and feel free to subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more travel related videos in the near future, and I hope to have you back.